Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Jumbo Josh from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Jumbo Josh from Garten of Ban Ban, let's begin by making the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another circle right over here. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each one for the pupil. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, right across here, I'm going to make a long line for the mouth. Then we're going to draw a nice big smiley face shape in here. Right across here, we're going to make some teeth. So we're just going to make some nice round-shaped teeth all the way across. And we'll do the same thing right across here. Just make some nice round teeth. Right underneath here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And then starting right about here, we're going to make a line, kind of like an oval shape for the head. So we're just going to start here, and we're just going to make like an oval shape right around here for the head. I'm going to bring this side in just a little bit. Now starting here, I'm going to come in and out. And same thing here, we're just going to go in and out, kind of where the neck would be. Now I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to come all the way down here. Same thing here, I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to come all the way down here. I'm going to curve this line up, and same thing here, I'm going to curve this line up. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes out and in, and same thing, we're just going to go out and in for like the thumb. Then I'm going to bring this line up so it gets a lot smaller as it comes up. We'll do the same thing here, we're just going to bring this up so it's much smaller as it comes up. Starting here, I'm going to come down and in. Same thing here, we're just going to come down and in for the body. Then right here, I'm just going to come down, over, and then up. Same thing here, I'm just going to come down. We're going to go over and up. And then we're just going to make a little line across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Jumbo Josh from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.